Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Quick Hit Casino Slots game on iPhone. So let's get started. First, locate the Quick Hit Casino Slots game on your home screen. Tap the Quick Hit Casino Slots game and hold on to it until a menu appears. From the menu that appears, select the Remove App option. Choose the Delete App option to confirm that you want to uninstall Quick Hit Casino Slots game. Finally, tap on the Delete option and now the Quick Hit Casino Slots game will be uninstalled from your device. And this is how you can uninstall Quick Hit Casino Slots game on iPhone. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.